We're under attack by another ion. Today it's a location. A location is a type of plant that you're only going to find in space. It's vital to our survival. We got to get the locations. We got to get them from planet 7, planet Sandwich, from the planet Hamburger, Sandals, Loci, Sticks, Roadman, from the planet Liver Rubble. Cubs don't look too bad, do they, Dansby? I just realized that Dansby here is a bit like my Wilson in Castaway. Some location, some kind of chemical reaction that is required to power some futuristic engine. Well, what you gonna do with this old spaceship is you gotta fire up them locations. It's gonna bark like a frog. We have to collect all those locations. You take someone and put them dead smack dab in the middle of an ocean. They got problems. They need a Dansby out there or they're gonna go crazy. And if they don't have a raft, they're gonna die. Apparently I'm supposed to follow this van to a great place to eat. Good old swervy derby tailgater behind me. The sad thing about this is the game is starting right about now and I have to go to work right about now. The location of the driver behind you matters a lot too. You take somebody and put them on the tippy top of a mountaintop, might run out of breath to death. You go up too high and you die from not having enough invisible molecules ejected into your body by way of natural processes. If you saw any other animal do that, you would be suspicious of their intellectual capacity. I believe that truck just farted. If locations didn't exist, we would not have a trucking industry. Maybe it's pronounced locatian. It also sounds like a nice type of car that costs millions. I never thought I'd see the day when a locatian was in our town driving around. Cubs win! You know, I saved up for a while. I was tired of having those cheapo suits, and I bought myself a locatian. You know what would be terrifying is a locust ion. Maybe the locust ion is something that is an airborne disease that you can catch. And if you ingest the locust ion, you become like a locust and you start swarming with other people, running around biting stuff. Wear 2 layers of body band-aids. When the optometrist's daughter asks, "Daddy, what do you do for a living?" And he says to them, well, I take these patients that got a problem with their eyeballs and I prop them up in a chair. "What do you examine, Daddy? What do you examine on their face?" I look at eye on them. Cubs win. Oh yeah. If you're unsure of how to spell location, you just think of a cat wearing a lab suit that's about to eat a bird. The planet of sad language.